guys, this is an audio test for the Speed HD 120Z. I'm about less than a meter away from the camera and I'm speaking at a normal voice. And yeah, this is the audio from the camera, and I'll go back a little bit. I'll keep talking as I go along. This is just a test for the Speed HD 120Z, and I'm about 2 meters away at the moment. And I'm coming closer again. Speed HD 120Z on camera microphone. Again, there is no audio inputs for this camcorder, but yeah, this is the audio test for this actual camera, Speed HD 120Z, and I'm less than a meter away again. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this answers some questions.